So the SunWize Power Ready Express systems that are shipped with solar modules that have MC4 cables also is accompanied by a large male and female cable. It's all one length, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut this into two pieces. So what we want to do is don't cut anywhere near the ends. What you're going to do is lay it out, find the midpoint. At that point you're going to cut the midpoint, and now you'll have two 15-foot cables, one for the positive and one for the negative. What we're going to do is create a 24-volt array with two 24-volt modules, so we're going to wire these in parallel. What you're going to need is also the 2-to-1 connectors. So what we're going to do here is take the positive, connect that up here, right, and the positive from here. We're then going to take the other 2-to-1, and we're going to actually connect that up to the other negative here and negative there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the output cable that we cut in half, and we're going to use this as the connection, the output cable, for both modules, there and there. And at this point you now have two 24-volt modules wired in parallel for a 24-volt array.